promise you one thing. This is the slowest I've ever gone through Nicholas Rivulet. G'day everybody, welcome back. So what we're doing today is it's just a little charity ride. For a mate of mine, Ken Harris, who has been fighting a hell of a battle with melanoma. This is a ride that's called the Run from the Sun, and it's about raising money for melanoma cancer research, etc. So I thought I'd go and tip my my $10 into the tin, which is the registration costs, and go for a little quiet ride into the township of Cygnet. There's a lot of American V twins, Harleys and Indians. Now this is going to be a single battery run, this one, because I got a little confession to make. I went for a ride, I can't remember how many weeks ago it was now, a couple of weeks ago, with the rot, and I keep a sandwich bag, like a Ziploc bag, with all my spare batteries in it, and I think I had about 10 GoPro Hero 4 batteries, 2 GoPro Hero 8 batteries, a spare battery for my 360-degree camera, and I bloody well lost them all. They fell out. I had them under the seat of the Ducati. And we were riding between Friarbunna and Swansea, and they fell out of the bike. I lost the bloody lot. So I'm down to one bloody battery per camera. That's Ken there. I think he's going to be tailing Charlie, so he's just waiting for the rest of the group to come through. promise you one thing. This is the slowest I've ever gone through Nicholas Rivulet. Oh well, it's not a race. Looks like the other camera's about to give up. I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. And I'll catch you next time on Andy's Motorcycle Obsessions. Bye for now.